Make getting stranded a one-player job. Welcome to the review. Today we are reviewing this Solo Jump Starter. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So inside the box you'll find the carry-in case, you'll find the actual jumping unit, the cables, an adapter, and a USB A to C charging cord. The unit itself has a few features. Let me hold the power button and turn it on here. On the side here we have USB A and USB C ports. You are able to charge this with your phone if you run out of juice and you're somewhere and your bank is dead for some reason. You can plug your phone into here and add some charging to it. It also works as a power bank the other way where you can charge your phone, but the instructions were a little confusing. I think you have to put the USB A cable in here and then that becomes available to use for charging. One of the neat features I did see on the side over here was a light. If you hold it down long enough, the light will come on, which is good to see what you're doing. You can kind of set it to the side there. It will stay powered on while you actually jump your car. There's a blinker here for don't run me over, please, bro. Go ahead and connect the clamps to the car battery and immediately start your car. One thing to be cautious about though is the leads on these cables are very, very short and all they want to do is touch each other. So please be very careful not to let the leads touch each other. That would be very bad. Otherwise the car started up with ease. It did what it's supposed to do. It goes right into the carrying case and in the back of my car. So if you're looking for an easy way to jumpstart your car without relying on anybody else, we recommend this.